Okay, I'm here now with Justin Guitreau. He is the Senior Vice President for Tekno Valves North America. Justin, what are some of the products that you offer for distributors?
We are a high-quality, high-pressure gas valve supplier.
Perfect, and I see the new partnership. It's important enough that you guys wanted all the GAWDA members to know about it. This was stocked in all the Q4 magazines. Tell us about the partnership with WAY.
Yeah, we are two small companies that have come together to better serve our gas customers. So we are the sales agent for WAY. All the products are still stocked in Texas. They're still shipped out of Texas, but we are now calling on all the customers, making sure that the customer service is exactly what is expected from our customers.
Perfect. And kind of looking back on 2023 or ahead on 2024, is there anything that you want to especially point out as it pertains to Tekno Valves North America with the distributors?
Yeah, I think I'd like to talk about just the breadth of products that we offer. You know, I mean, we really have a lot for all of the distributors. So first, talking about our industrial valve selection. So this is, of course, our industrial O-ring seal valve, your common 540-580 applications. Then we move over to the RPVs. RPVs are being more commonly used across the industry these days to maintain a pressure inside of the valve. And then, of course, we get over into the brass and stainless steel diaphragm valve offering. So we keep a lot of stock of this in Louisiana, and we ship the same day. So if you have any applications that are requiring brass or stainless steel diaphragm valves, we'd love to help you. And then we also offer a full range of acetylene cylinder valves, your BNMC valves, your CGA 510 valves. We offer all of those. And then last, but certainly not least, would be all the medical E-style valves. So all of our valves come with the MR stamp on them, and we're really proud of that offering. I think the one thing that separates Tekno Valves, though, is that for each and every one of our cylinder valves that we offer, every one of them is 100% tested from the factory. That's in the open and closed position. It's 100% test. So we really have the peace of mind when we send a valve to a customer that valve is going to work every single time, and it's going to last the customer a very long time.
All right, there you have it. A quick update from Justin. Thank you so much, Justin, for everything that you do for us and for GAWDA throughout the year. And it's always great to see you guys at the shows.
Thanks, Tim.